nabanggit mo rin yung push ni na Speaker Romualdez doon sa charter change. And well, bagamat hindi naman nila inaamin na yung People's Initiative ay sila yung nagpo-push. Pero generally speaking, how do you view yung pagsagawa ng People's Initiative? Kasi parang nagkaroon na tuloy ng parang question, doubts, dahil nga sa umano'y suhulan and other allegations, Professor Froilan.
Yeah, I believe in that, kasamang Raymond. No? I totally agree with that na medyo this movement started not on a very good footing, ika nga, no? And I think this will paint a negative impression into the movement, no? Especially na binabago natin ang saligang batas pero yung kaparaanan ng paggawa natin dito medyo hindi katanggap-tanggap sa ating mga kababayan. So I think careful steps should actually be in place in order to make the necessary rectification dito sa isinusulong natin na to, no? So ang akin nga sabi ko nga kanina, maganda ang layunin, maganda ang hangarin, pero kung hindi naman tama yung kaparaanan na gagamitin natin, hindi po ito katanggap-tanggap para sa akin. So I think the reason why the Congress is pushing for the People's Initiative, no, is kadahilan ng nagiging stumbling block, no, sa anumang petition, anumang proseso ng pagbabago ng saligang batas ang Senado, no. So this is I believe one way by which the Congress thinks of actually overriding, no, or circumventing the power, the co-equal power of the Senate, dahil pagdating sa Senado, anuman aksyon, no, na aprobado sa mababang kapulungan maaring maharang, at ito na nga yung nangyari, no. Ito na yung nangyari, no. I think 2 days ago the Senate already gave their pronouncement that the charter change in the Senate is already dead, no? I think all 24 of them, including the committee chair on the constitutional reforms and amendments, Robin Padilla, did not agree with the House version, on charter change. So maliwanag na ayaw ng Senado na mawala sila doon sa equation, no? Maliwanag na ayaw ng Senado na tanging yung Kamara lamang ang magtitimon dito sa charter change, kasi yun yung nangyayari, no? Yun yung impression na ibigay sa atin, and I think the Senate as a co-equal branch, I think, would not want this to happen.